Hey guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I placed a real trade on BTCDana using one of the official trading signals shared in their signal group. This isn't financial advice. My goal is simply to show you the process I personally followed from raising the signal to placing the trade on the platform. Remember, every trade carries risk, so always do your own research and use proper risk management. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently inside the official BTCDana Nigeria signal group. They've shared a gold, which is XAUUSD buy signal. The signal includes everything you need: entry price, stop loss, 3 take profit levels are displayed here, as you can see. One thing I like is that they also remind traders to risk only 1/2% of their account balance on a single trade. That's a very important habit because protecting your capital is just as important as making profits. Guys, for this signal, we are buying XAUUSD, which is gold against the US dollar. Rather than guessing where to enter the market, the signal provides a specific entry level along with a stop loss and multiple take profit target. This helps you guys. This can help you follow a structured plan instead of making emotional decisions. Instead of just making rational decisions and entering the trade anyhow. With this, even if you don't know much about the trade, you can follow this their entry level along with the stop loss and multiple take profit target. Let's switch over to the BTCDana app. I'll go to the market section and research for the XAUSD. So as you can see, I'll find XAUSD, and now I'll open the trading page. As you can see, the market price changes continuously. Currently, the market price is at a rate of 3,985 USD, but it is changing rapidly. As you can see, it is a forex signal. It's a forex pair, so it changes very, very rapidly. That's completely normal because financial markets move every second. The important thing isn't chasing every price movement, but following your trading plan and using proper risk management. I'm entering the trade based on the signal provided. Next, I'll set my stop loss using the level given. I've entered my entry level price, as you can see from the group. So I'll set my stop loss using the level given in the signal. The stop loss is important because it helps limit potential losses. If the market moves against me, after that, I'll set my take profit targets using the first target from the signal group. Take profit allows the trade to close automatically once the target price hits. So guys, some market prices have been to change as of the time I was making this video. Some of the prices dropped in the signal group had already changed, so I was able to execute my trade. So I might be editing some of the prices I'll be entering here. Now I'll place the order. As you can see, the order has been executed successfully on my real account. The position is now active and the trade is running, as you can see. From this point, I'll simply allow the market to play out according to my trading plan instead of making emotional decisions. One thing worth mentioning is that BTCDana currently offers access to the official signal resources for eligible users. If you are interested, you can check the requirements after creating your account and making your first qualifying deposit. Be sure to check the latest terms directly on the platform because promotions may change over time. If you'd like to check out the BTCDana yourself, I'll leave my link to get started in the description below or in the comments. New users may also qualify for welcome promotion currently available on the platform, so be sure to check those out after registering. I hope this video helped you understand how to place trade using a trading signal on BTCDana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification because I regularly share crypto tutorials, trading guides, arbitrage opportunities and other online income ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.